The future of a temporary shelter for the homeless in Columbia is unclear. ABC 17's Sydney Olson is live in Columbia. Sydney, the shelter was built to provide a place for people experiencing homelessness to go during COVID-19.
Lucas City Council member Mike Trapp and his brother started the shelter last week to help people experiencing homelessness in Columbia. But now it could close by as soon as the end of the week. Michael Trapp and his brother started For a Change LLC and used it to start a shelter in a local hotel.
Having people who are unsheltered is a risk to the community because they don't know to wash their hands, they're not out to watch TV or read the internet, and so it puts all of our health at risk by not having folks be able to have access to basic sanitation.
Trapp approached Health and Human Services, and City Manager John Glasscock approved $10,000 for the department to use on a contract with the hotel.
To be quite honest, we never did receive a contract for it, and so we can't go forward with anything until we actually have a contract.
Now the people using the shelter may have to leave by Friday, and For a Change and an anonymous donor will cover the cost of the room since the city can't pay. The city is still working to get a contract signed or find another place that may agree to a contract.
This is kind of unique. I don't know that we've ever done one like this. Like you said, it's a pandemic, so as Steve Sapp always says, we're flying this airplane and building it at the same time.
Trapp says now they are working on another plan to provide a new place for people to go.
So our plan is we're going to retreat into, in cooperation with MU Medical, a monitored campsite with sanitation and trash disposal and basic health education.
Trapp says they are also working to set up a safe campsite where people who typically stay in their cars can go. Reporting live in Columbia, Sydney Olson, ABC 17 News.
The Columbia City Council will still need to give the final approval for the funds if the city receives a contract.